So it's actually a lot easier to make a graph in this than it used to be. So I'm still going to walk you through the steps here. Just showing you in case you forgot, here's how you get your medians, your modes, your averages, all that stuff. And there's even one for standard deviation. So you can say equals stdev. And instead of doing all of that calculation we did, you can just highlight this data, and it will give you your standard deviation there. One thing you'll notice, this has a lot of decimal points. You can change the amount of decimal points, the precision, by using this here. And you notice you've got a number like 0.740, like this one. It shortens it, because that 0 doesn't matter mathematically, but we want to show our precision, so we can make them all 3 data points like that. Okay, so the actual making of a chart is pretty easy. You just highlight all your data here, and then we're going to go to Insert, Chart, and we want a histogram. So you can choose our type here, and go down to histogram. And looks good so far. It doesn't give us all the data we want, though, so we want to customize this. The first thing we want to do here is show item dividers, so we can see each one of these is a thing. And then we don't have blocks as small as 0.70, so what we want to do is change our horizontal axis here. So we can go ahead and put, your data might be slightly different here, but if you put in what your smallest and your biggest was, you'll get some more meaningful data buckets here. All right, so that's how you make the chart. You can go through and do some of the good things like changing the title and stuff. We can go back anytime we click on the top here. We can edit length of wood blocks and update some of that stuff there. So when you're done, you just want to go to download as a PDF, and there's all your stuff. And we just export it, and it'll download that, and you can just drag that right into your Schoology assignment, and that'll turn that in for you. All right, good luck. Thanks for listening.